Namaskar, this is Chartered Accountant Shilpa Shingari here. I would request you to cast your first preference vote in favor of CA Prabhu Ramesha. The next thing a Chartered Accountancy is, if I vote for this particular candidate, whether he will be able to give time to the institute or not, because he is contesting for the Central Council. So he will be placed mostly in Delhi, and he is a candidate, like his office is in Mumbai. So whether this person will be able to go to Delhi and whether he will be able to contribute to the council, then the answer is yes. Because if you come to the office, if you visit his office and if you see the setup, you will find the human power, the manpower, the kind of people he has recruited, the team which he has got, and his own in-house team or in-house support system is his wife Sana madam, his two young CA sons, I mean Shreyas and Siddharth, both of them, they are handling the office. So there is no worry for him. He can very well contribute to the council with the whole heart and soul. He can devote the time also, no issues on that. So I request all the chartered accountants, to all the entire fraternity, it's my appeal that CA Prabhu Ramesha is a deserving candidate, is a Central Council candidate, and each one should give him the first preference. And wherever you feel that you have committed your first preference to someone, then only you think of the second or the best preference. But he is the person who can contribute to the fraternity, because he is contributing for last 30 to 35 years to the WRC and the Central Council. He is just part of the committee. So whether you make him the part of the committees or you don't make him the part of the committees, but this person has contributed directly and indirectly to each and every council, that is Western Regional Council or the committees of the Central Council. And now it's time that we want to see him as a Central Council member. So it's my appeal, my humble appeal to all my esteemed chartered accountant friends and professional colleagues, that please cast and give your first preference vote in favor of CA Prabhu Ramesha. And of course the slogan goes is CA Prabhu Ramesha, Saath Hamesha. Thank you.